Hello everyone and welcome to our new class. In this session, I will introduce three new products to you that is especially designed for customers who are living outside India. So the customers who live outside India are known as NRI customers, non-resident Indian. So these customers require banking facilities to send money from abroad or to manage their funds that they are earning in India. So bank offers them accounts like NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts. So, by the end of this session, you will be able to understand what are these accounts, to whom these accounts are offered, and key benefit of NRE, NRO, and FCNR account. So let's understand NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts first. So NRE account stands for non-resident external account. So this allow a non-resident Indian to deposit foreign earnings in Indian bank. So for example, a customer living in America wants to send $10,000 in India. So through NRE account, they can easily send money in dollar and get that converted into INR. So it is for the people who are living outside India, earning outside India, and wants to send money in India. Talking about NRO account, it is meant for people who are living abroad but are earning money in India. So to manage their income that they are earning in India, bank offers NRO accounts to such customers. Now let's move to FCNR account. So FCNR account helps protect foreign currency investments against exchange rate fluctuations. So first understand the type of customers who approaches the bank to open FCNR account. So these are the customers who wants to deposit money in foreign currency and wants to keep it in the same currency only. The purpose of it is to repatriate the fund in future easily and also to cover themselves against the risk of foreign currency rate fluctuation. So, for example, there is a customer who wants to send $10,000 in USD at the rate of 80 rupees per dollar. In future, the dollar amount increases, the value increases, and it becomes 85 rupees per dollar. So, the customer now will require to pay more INR to get the dollar amount back. But because with FCNR they have logged in the currency value at the time of deposit, they can get the money back at 80 rupees per dollar only. So that's how FCNR account helps a customer in protecting against currency rate fluctuation. Now let's understand key features of NRE, NRO, and FCNR account. So NRE account provide tax-free interest earning. So if you are having NRE account, you doesn't need to pay any tax on the interest that you have earned. It also allow easy repatriation of funds. So for example, a customer deposits $10,000 today and gets it converted into INR, and in future they need the money back. So the bank will assist the customer in converting the money back in dollar and sending it back to the customer. So this makes the NRE account ideal for the non-resident Indians who are living outside India and earning outside India. Talking about NRO account, it is for the people who are earning in India and wants to manage their money in India while living abroad. So bank offer them NRO account, and that's how they take the advantage of NRO account for managing their money in India. Talking about taxation, yes, an NRO customer holding NRO account has to pay interest, has to pay tax on the interest that they have earned. If you move to FCNR account feature as discussed previously, it allows customer to deposit money in the original currency, and it also allows customer to lock the currency value during the time of deposit to cover them against the currency rate fluctuation in future. In addition, the customer also gets attractive interest rate on the money that they have deposited in FCNR account. Now let's understand the key RBI guidelines that is there for NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts. Income tax exemptions apply for NRE accounts. So yes, the customer who is having NRE account doesn't need to pay any income tax on the interest earned. It is exempted. If you talk about NRO account, they have to pay tax on interest they have earned through NRO account. Talking about FCNR deposits, they assist a customer in retaining foreign currency value. NRE and FCNR accounts are freely repatriable. So if a customer wants their money back in the original currency, they can easily get it in NRE and FCNR account. Talking about NRO account, the customer will require RBI approval for the repatriation of the funds. So that's it about RBI guidelines, and it's time to wrap up this session. I hope you are well aware about NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts and its key features and benefits. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next class.